Tasty paneer masala recipe. 30-minute quick and easy recipe, usually served along with rotti, chapathi or rice. Let's move to the video. First we need to marinate paneer cubes. For that, in a bowl take 200 grams of paneer cubes, then add half teaspoon chili powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, mix it well. Coat them nicely. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon ghee and heat it. When the ghee is hot, add marinated paneer cubes for frying. Fry it on medium flame for 3 minutes. After frying, keep it aside. Now in a pan, take 1 tablespoon ghee and heat it. When the ghee is hot, add 3/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, half or 1 small bay leaf. Mix it well. Cook for a minute. Then add 2 chopped onion. Mix it well. Serve it on medium flame until it becomes light golden brown color.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
When the color changes to light golden brown color, add paste of 2 tomatoes, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Serve it on medium flame for 3 minutes. Now keep it low flame. We can add the masalas. Add 1.5 tablespoon Kasmiri Chilli Powder, 1 tablespoon Coriander Powder, 1 teaspoon Cumin Powder, a pinch of Turmeric Powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Keep it low flame and then add 3 tablespoon curd to it. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Now add half cup of warm water, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Boil for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, add the fried paneer to it. Also add half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Now switch off the flame. Our paneer masala recipe is ready. Serve it after 30 minutes for best taste. We can have it along with rice, roti, chapathi or parota.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.